6A, you have to use pedestrian crossings. Okay, how are we going to work this? Well, you're going to start by writing down the headings. Okay, in this case, you're going to choose reading and speaking. Okay, and you're going to write down number 1, reading and speaking, A and B, and write down the answers to these questions, only the answers. So read them carefully. On letter B says, read the toughest place to be A and answer the questions. So it's referring to this article next to the questions. You read the article and then you write down the 3 answers required. Okay? Now, what we're going to do next is that we're going to focus on vocabulary, and I'm going to explain what compound nouns are. Now, this is very simple. Compound nouns combine 2 words. Some compound nouns are 1 word. Example given, lunchtime. As you can see, even if we're talking about 2 words, you put them together and form 1. But sometimes we can have them with 2 words, like swimming pool. Okay, in this case, both words are separated. Now, these are the 3 ways you can form them. It could be noun plus noun. It could be a verb with an ing ending and a noun, and you can do it on the reverse. We got the examples like newspaper, washing machine, and windsurfing. And you can see right here the ing ending on both words. Okay? Now, let's do this pronunciation exercise. You're going to listen. You're going to tell me where's the stress, on the first or on the second word.
Track 2.22.
Taxi driver, bus driver, emergency department, firefighter, forest fires, culture shock, workplace, living conditions, working environment.
After listening to this pronunciation, you're going to find out that the stress is the first word on the compound noun. So we always stress the first word. Now, we're going to continue with exercises C, D, and E. Okay, you write them down. Exercise C. And you're going to complete the compound nouns with the words in the box. You're going to choose which words to match on each number. Okay? The second exercise is to complete the email with the compound nouns from 2C. You know, the ones right here. You're going to use these words right here. Okay, all of them. And you're going to complete the email. After you finish, take your cell phone out and go to page 129, okay? And you're going to look at this picture right here on page 129, and you're going to find all the compound words you can in 2 minutes, okay? So try to make a list as well, okay? And then we're going to go back, and then we're going to check your answers to see if you got them correctly, okay? You can pause the video to check them. Exercise C, these are your answers. Check them, please. These are the words you completed. Okay? And then we're going to go to exercise D, where we have these answers. Also read them, pause the video, and check them. And at the end, we got the exercise when you looked at the picture. So here is a suggested list. This might be some of the words you found. As you can see, you can find all these many words. If you have some that you never seen before, look for them on the dictionary. Okay? So here are the words that you might have found on that exercise. Okay, guys? Thank you.